it's Morgan with WTI.
This Carpet Miracle carpet cleaner and deodorizer from Sunny and Honey is definitely my new favorite product for cleaning my home. It works so well, and let me tell you, it smells amazing. This is the light lavender scent, and it definitely gives your home that nice, fresh, light smell that is so, so nice for a clean home. And this works wonders in getting stains out of the carpet and freshening up your carpets. I've had a few stains near my front door from dirt on people's shoes that I've been trying to get out. And I've tried everything by hand to remove them, and nothing was working. But as soon as I used this carpet cleaner, I really saw the difference. And I love that because it's finally fresh and clean. And I definitely think that this is something I will continue to use for a while because I could just see the difference in my carpet. This is me getting the stain out. And it was so nice to see the difference so quickly. It was really great to see that it was actually working. You can see how clean it looks. I really love this stuff. I'm definitely going to use it for a long time. And you can feel confident using it around your pets because it's very comfortable for them, so they'll love it too.
I definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.